What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm just going to jump right into the topic of this video, which is about a built motor. So I need your guys' help. Some of you might have already seen this, but Gasan Automotive is looking for their next BMW to sponsor. They are an engine building company. They build engines for N54s, N55s, S55s. A lot of modern BMW engines they do rebuilds for, whether that's the stock motor rebuild or they can also do a built motor upgrade. Now, the reason I'm talking to you guys about this is because I think my car could qualify for their sponsorship and I need you guys to help me win this. Some of you might have already seen I have swapped motors on my car before. I blew this one up on MMP Stage 3s. This is just a stock motor that came in the car, and then I got a junkyard stock motor with the single turbo build. But, like I said, they are looking for their next car to sponsor, and if you guys know this build, you should know that a built engine is one of the only things I need to complete this thing besides like an LSD. But I'm really hoping I can partner with them, so I'm gonna give you guys some instructions and I would really appreciate some help. So they made this public post on Facebook, and people who want to apply for the sponsorship were supposed to comment down below, and I did just that. And a lot of you guys have already liked it because I've shared this on Instagram already on some of the forums. But basically, I just need you to click the link that's down in the description below. It's going to bring you over to Gasan Automotive's Facebook post, and then scroll down into the comments and find my comment with my build and just give that comment a like. It's really as simple as it gets. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll saw I just did a post the other day asking for likes on that post so that Gasan Automotive could see that. So if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, go ahead, head over there. I'll have a link down in the description to my Instagram as well. Follow me, give that post a like. I would really appreciate it. So without too much more talking, I want to take you guys for a rip in the 135. If you've hung out this long, if you guys have followed those instructions, I want to give you guys some content of me driving that car around. But Gasan Automotive is awesome. They conduct themselves very well. I think I'd be honored to partner with them. I would love to see what this car could do on like a built motor setup. Maybe closed deck, who knows, shoot for 850, 950, maybe even 1,000 horsepower and just go wild with this thing. But they're really cool over there, so go ahead, give them a like and a follow as well. And I really hope I can partner with them and do something cool.